Good morning everyone. Today is a day number 3 for video unboxing review for diamond paintings. So I hope you missed me already. If not, well, thank you for being here anyway. I have I think it's two diamond paintings in here because sometimes they have in one box a few of the designs. So this one is from ArtBusy, and you can take advantage of my name Nataliya and save 10%. That would be your discount code. So let's start from smaller box and see what we have in here. I'm glad you still like diamond painting. And look at this perfect. I like their new boxes. They feel like nice and sturdy. I feel like it's even more sturdy than white boxes. So maybe that's why kind of like a perfect condition canvases inside. Look at that. And you will be surprised what I order, because even I surprise in here. Did not expect myself being in this kind of weather, you know, like spring is really fighting with the winter. And guess what? I ordered winter design. I can't believe it. Well, that's a Santa. Toolkit always is the same. Tray medium size, white pen with 1 placer and 3 placer. Wax and tweezers. That's the, let me fix the screen. Okay, that's their always the same toolkit, so we're not going to pay attention to next one because it's going to be the same one. All right, let me show you picture first. It's kind of dark picture, so I don't know, will be probably easier just to show you in here right now. A velvet fabric, sorry, my dogs decided to walk away because I'm recording video. I told them before I'm going to record. Yeah, it kind of dark picture, so maybe you're not going to see exactly. Can you see? I think it's a Santa and a horse. Unless it's some kind of wizard. Let's see if this picture will show us a little bit better in here. It's a good size panel. I didn't go for a big size. This one is 40 by 60, but that's together with the edges of the canvas, not the printed area. You have to remember that. So it's not wide, but it would be comfortable to do this on a table and desk. We have a 39 colors in here. And I don't see any specialty, so this is just the regular diamonds should be here. Picture printed dark as well, so let's see if you're gonna kind of maybe better idea. I think it's a Santa up there on a horse. Click on a link under my video and you will see actually beautiful pictures. So you notice that the bigger size you order, there are more details in the picture you will get, so it will look much better. I decided not to go with very long one, I mean not very big size, so this is kind of like a medium size. You can totally do in 1 week if you put your mind into it. The quality of the canvases always is very nice, and I like that they have, like, it's a very sparkle canvas itself. We can see some, look at this, so much glitter on it. And of course the quality of the glue in here is super amazing. Very good quality, and print is very nice. Even it's a dark area in here. Let's see, is this would be T. Oh no, that's a 939, so it's a dark blue color would be like in here, even with the dark, sorry for the reflection of the camera, but look how beautiful printed symbols. You will not have problems to place them even in a darker spot, and it's supposed to be very pretty. So with this one we have, there is some red colors. So his jacket should be red is his jacket. Yeah. Yeah, the printer did not print picture very well. It's dark, so it's hard to see, but as you can see, we have some happy colors in here. Beautiful. This diamond painting I chose to do in square diamonds. I love the full coverage. And there's look at all this deep shading. It's going to be blend in very nice, and the mix of this one is going to look very nice. And rest of kind of brownish. Big bag of what? This is there's no any sticker in here, but it's like a bag inside of the bag. So let's see what is going on. Also, it looks like a $9.39. Okay, yeah, $9.39. They just put little bag inside of there. Maybe broken bag, so they decided to put in one big one. Okay, so we don't even have it written in here, I think. Let me see. No, we don't. So there's no black diamonds in here. Alright, so that's a number 1. I don't know what I was thinking to order Santa. I totally did not miss winter because we have a very long winter in here in Canada. So it's probably everywhere unless you live in tropical somewhere. But second design I will show you. That's just super cute and adorable. Will put smile on your face. I know this. Well, I hoping you're gonna like it. Okay, let me get this box on this side to block my diamonds not to slip on the ground. And this one design is big one. It's a big box. Let's open and see this beauty. This should be colorful. Look at us, already looking happy canvas. That's it, now it's empty. And diamonds and the tray. So yes, it's all the same tools. And this is also square diamond, so I decided to go for a square today. Okay. Inventory sheet, let's see what we have in here. Design 50 by 75 centimeters, square diamonds, and we have in here 45 colors, which is 4 of them we have fairy dust colors. Woohoo! Yes, I don't know, this picture doesn't also not printed very well. You have to see this picture on a website, and I believe there's a few. I saw 2 of this kind of design. And look at this. For all the kitty lovers, we have embroidery cats. So this one, I think they are still stitching, or it's already showing their stitch product. I think I saw cats kind of embroidery like in work progress, and the other canvas it's already finished embroidery and they showing their project. I'm not sure which one. This one we have to open bigger picture to see, because this one is such a little tiny. I wish they put like a bigger picture in here printed. This one may be already finished, I don't know. But because this is the kitty cats, they have a clothes embroidery, so they are totally Ukrainian cats. I almost 100% guarantee, because they have a vyshivanka. Vyshivanka, we call it embroidery clothes. It's a old tradition that go from generation to generation for hundreds of years. And look at the embroidery kitty cats. For every cat lover, oh my god, you're gonna have sunflowers. Look at these designs. Oh, look at those threads up there. They are busy, busy, busy. There's a basket with the threads in here. Okay, maybe if I can put sideways, we're gonna have a little bit better view without reflection of the squiggles. Let's try at least like this. Okay, this one even better. Look at that, we have 4 kitty cats, but 3 embroidery hoops. Forever Day, I don't know if that's the embroidery project or that's their skirts. I'm not sure, or this is belong to this kind of edges, but so cute. And then on the top of there, it looks like a blooming trees, maybe apple blossoms or something, or cherry blossoms. This was so adorable that I cannot flip another page. I just have to get it. And feels like this is the one that they already show in finished project. The other one, this kind of just started, I think. So if you're looking for that, just go flip through canvases. Easy way would be find out, I think, is when you go into the website and you click on kind of diamonds up there on the top of the page. You will see there's AB diamonds, fairy dust diamonds, like a regular square or round, and that would be easier to find whatever you're looking for, because they kind of by the categories. But some of the diamonds, I don't know if they have in different categories or just in one, but check it out. There's I believe I saw 2 of this kind of cat. So this is gorgeous to me. This is so gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Well, I can consider white kitty cat. That would be me with my white hair. Well, who's up there? Maybe Debbie stitching in here. Callie, Jenny. Who's in here? Brown kitty cat. Who has a brown hair? I don't know, but we are so good in here together. So this is really make me happy. I'm so happy. And the threads in this looks so pretty. Look at these beautiful colors. Let me show you a little bit close. I will open this little bit in here, and hopefully not to stick glue into the camera, because I want to show you how beautiful this print look like. And the glue is just smooth, smooth, smooth. Oh, such a good layer of glue. Your diamonds should stick in here very, very nice. Wow, what do you think? This is so awesome. So let's see what kind of fairy dust diamonds we should have. Should I put like this so you can see? Okay, looks like it's not much reflection in here. There's few this lines because of the top layer of the squeaky sheet kind of end up in the reverse. So, well, let's jump and see these happy colors, because there's a lot of happy colors in this design. So let's check it out. Ooh, lots of for the background, I guess. All this, like kind of like a skin color shade. And oh, I found so 2, 3, 4. Okay, they are all together. So in not AB, sorry, in fairy dust diamonds we have 4 colors. One of them is a black. Yeah, we have a 310. Oh, sorry. 310 in AB diamonds. Then we have purple, but very little bit of them, not big amount of these diamonds, and 2 kind of pinkish red, so like close to shading, but it is still different. Very little bit of this one, and big bag of red one for our embroidery, and maybe for these blossoms on the tree, because we do have some kind of like a blossoms in here. A logo of the company. I always like to have a logo in here. It's nice to remember, so I don't have to write anymore. Before I used to always write. Now you need to remember, if you sometimes link could be not working. Oh, my neighbor cutting grass. It's gonna be loud, I guess. This number in here, that's what you punch in a search engine in a store. This number with the letters, and it will bring you right away this canvas if you're looking for. And yeah, I say just like, you know, check it out, the other one as well, because it was too cute cute not to. There is some very awesome colors in here. Look at this, lots of blues, pretty yellow, yeah, and greens. This one, shades of greens. Well, this one kind of also green shaded in here. Lots of blue and lots of brown. Oh, there's more purple and green, beautiful combo. Yeah, and this one AB. Oh, there's another bag of green. This one, pretty color. Yeah, so that's cute. At this moment, I don't remember, do I have any in my whip collection from ArtBusy, or I already finished? I know I started all 3 stores, new stores that recently opened, each of them, but I think I already finished. I know I still have the other one, the girl, the sunshine girl as I call it, but that one is from Nataliyaxo. I done kind of a lot up there I have to finish. But now I'm thinking ArtBusy. I feel like already I finished one design from this store, so if I don't have any in my whip, I will have to start on something. And OMG, I'm afraid it could be this one, and this is big one. So I don't know, let me know what you think. You are the one who will choose for me what to do. If you like this design, maybe we can start on this one. I see the one diamond in here. Fallout could be behind the zipper bag. You're going to put a bag in here. But this is cute. I love this one. I really love this one. The kitty cat. Who doesn't love kitty cat? Too bad doesn't have a black one cat in here as my shadow. He was talking to me this morning while I was in my room editing video. He lay down in a hallway, stretched his belly up and purr, asking me to pet him. Yeah, he is a talking dog. Oh, another diamond. So definitely some diamonds and trying to slip away. Okay, my friends, so this is it for today's video unboxing. I hope you're not tired from so many diamond paintings this day. This week we have lots of diamond painting project on my channel, but also I know many of you like to do diamond painting, and we have lots of cross stitch as well. So for everyone a little bit. I highly recommend, if you first on my channel, maybe check it out, my playlist. I have up there many projects that currently in work. We have some stitch alone projects, and every Thursday usually it's a diamond painting. Today, this last 3 days, we have extras because I wanted to do unboxing quicker before any other whips, because we need to show you what's new in store, so maybe you can go and shopping and find something that you like. Link will be under my video in the description box. Discount code is Nataliya for 10% off. It's not bad discount code, consider some company has only 5%. So happy shopping, everybody, and thank you again for sticking with me. And I believe we already in May. Wow, yes, we already in May. It's not even April anymore. Look at that, the time fly by. All right, thank you so much for today, for staying with me. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone.